Hello my lovely students, welcome back to your EVS class. Today we will talk about our next chapter, that is Workweek 2, chapter number 12. So before starting the chapter, you can see pictures on the screen. Can you tell me what are people doing in the picture? Yes, a lady is sweeping near the post office. She is a sweeper. साइड में ट्री के पास एक टी स्टॉल है. वहाँ पर एक मैन टी दे रहा है. टी स्टॉल के कॉर्नर में एक लेडी फ्लावर सेल कर रही है. पिक्चर में बिल्कुल सामने एक हाउस बनाते हुए दिख रहा होगा, जहाँ पर लेबर्स वर्कर्स वर्क करते हुए दिख रहे होंगे. कैन यू सी अ बार्बर इन दिस पिक्चर? यस, अंडर द ट्री. ट्री के पास एक ट्रैफिक पुलिस है जो ट्रैफिक को कंट्रोल कर रहा है. ट्री के नीचे एक कॉबलर है. वो क्या कर रहा है? Yes, he is repairing shoe. Let's come on the next picture. You can see some children are running very fast. I think वो स्कूल के लिए लेट हो रहे हैं. जैसे आपको स्कूल आने में कभी कभी लेट हो जाता है तो आप रन करके जाते हो ना. On the right side you can see a hospital. पिक्चर के बिल्कुल सामने आपको एक स्कूल दिख रहा है जहाँ पर एक लेडी बैग लिए हुए है. I think वो एक टीचर है. Now let's come and read the chapter. Like other days, Balbir reached the tea stall after his breakfast. His brother Satvinder, who had come from the village, was also with him. The worker at the tea stall gave him a cup of tea and said, "Here is the today's newspaper. How do you spend your whole day sitting here? Don't you get bored?" asked Satvinder. क्या तुम पूरे दिन बैठे बैठे यहाँ पर बोर नहीं होते? तुम यहाँ पर कौन सा वर्क करते हो? A small boy said, "Oh no, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं चलता कि मेरा टाइम कैसे फ्लाई हो जाता है." Boy said, "Look at that group of children. As usual, they are late for school. Everyone is running. The teacher is also late today." ओह, मुझे तो लगता है कि इनके सैंडल टूट गए हैं. She is going to जग्गू भाई to get it repaired. वैसे जग्गू भाई के लिए भी अच्छा है, आज उनकी थोड़ी इनकम हो जाएगी. Boy said, वो देखिए, चंपा is sitting there with her basket full of flowers. चंपा everyday flowers sell करने के लिए यहाँ पर आती है. The construction work has started again. Hey, look there. The doctor and nurse are entering the hospital together. Boy said, सतविंदर भाई, जरा उधर तो देखिए. Ramulu is selling fruits. These days, he also brings Chinnamma with him. Chinnamma runs around delivers fruits and collects money. A small boy said, "Satvinder भाई, अब आप ही बताइए कि मैं कैसे बोर हो सकता हूँ." Now Satvinder and Balbir put down his empty cup and walked to a nearby shop. Kids, that's it for today. Rest of all we'll study in next video. Now it's your practice time. The question is, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct word. So here, the first question is, the doctor and nurse work in the dash. Chinnamma helps dash in his work. The teacher was going to Jaggu for getting her slipper. Balbir's brother Satvinder had come from the dash. The children are running because they want to reach dash soon. That's it for today, kids. We'll meet again in next video.